This sun is melting me. Sheesh. This is natural state, no powder, no nothing. I like this wild look. So stay tuned for the tutorial. Okay guys, so I am back with another tutorial. Welcome back, gang. So today I am doing an installation. As you can see, I have my ball cap method already, and this video is sponsored by ALIPEARL hair, and this is a long overdue video, but I'm excited to tell you guys what I'm doing today. So I did receive this ALIPEARL hair tie, which is so nice. So when I get done, I could tie my hair down, and of course it has a bag. And oh child, we got a brush and a comb. We have straps, well, should I say a band, and nude caps, which are good because these match my skin tone. So let's get into this video. We don't want it to be long, and I'm not going to detail the install because I've got a video that I've already showed you guys the installation process. So I have already bleached the knots on this wig, and it took the knots fairly well, to be honest. Look at that, baby. It's in scalp. Okay, so these are the curls. The hair has been washed. So this is the natural state of the curls. Yep, and if I can remember, this is a 22 inch. And of course, here's a little flyer on how to wash your wig with instructions on that. So that's kind of dope. So we're gonna jump right into this wig. And I'll leave all the details and the specs on this particular wig and the texture in the description box. But first we're gonna just put these straps in the back. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the makeup on the lace, because I already know that I'm going to need makeup on the lace. So if you haven't watched the video of my ball cap method, I advise you to refer back to that if you want to know how I did it. It is very simple and straight to the point. So right now I'm just going to take that same makeup and put it all over the cap and the inside of the lace, just so we can make sure and ensure that lace match my skin. So I'm using level 16, and I'm using the lightest side. That's so pretty. Look at that. Ooh, it's so good. And I have not put this frontal at all. This is straight out of the pack. And when I say I like the way it looks already, I don't feel as if I'm made to do like any excessive flicking. Like I said, I might just do it just a little bit, but nothing major. And this glue, honey, I feel it. It's just like, it is popping already. Look at that, that looks so good. So, I'm going to tie it down. Cut my lace off the back. Alright, so I cut the lace off camera, guys, like I told you. So now we're just gonna cut the baby hairs and lay them. Oh my head. So we're just gonna cut the baby hair and lay them. And I'm gonna lay them with mousse. So you can cut your baby hair as short as you would like. This is the finished results. So these are the curls. I'm liking the flip over look. So this is the vibe I think I may keep. And these are the ends. So I may even do like a half up, half down later, but right now I'm feeling this flip over look. Just tossed. So this is the finished results. And again, this is Ali Pearl unit, frontal unit, 13 by 6, 22 inches. And I forgot the texture, so I'm gonna be sure to list that in the description box below. But the girl, yes. And again, so I used Ericka J Hold Me Down glue, and I am a fan so far. I would love to see what the hold is like, so I'm gonna keep this wig on as long as I can. But I'm gonna give a real review later because I'm gonna put it on a client and see how she does with it. So, and be very honest about it. But I have to say 2 thumbs up so far. I definitely love how fast it got dry and the process of putting it on. So this is the results of that unit. Like I said, I may come and do like a cute little half up, half down. But I put all of it up really. There we go. This may be the base. Half up, half down. I may do a half up, half down. I don't know. So far, I'm loving this. But so like I said, guys, this is the review on this. I said review. This is the install on this lovely unit. If you like it, like I said, I will have a link down below for you to purchase it from ALIPEARL Hair. And you may want to check out that glue baby by Ericka J. So yeah, yeah. But all in all, that's the end of this tutorial, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and join the gang if you haven't already. So thank you guys for watching. I love you, gang. Bye. Deuces, y'all already knew that's my favorite pose, so I'll be playing. I should stand over, huh? Let me stand over, let me stand over. Let me stand over. I got my waist right now. This is the curls in there. I do plan on cutting it up, but this is what I got as far as the curls go. And like I said, this is the natural state, no product, no nothing. And this is where the 22 hits me at. So this is what we got. Also, y'all, I have been doing the Chloe Teen 2-week shred challenge. I'm on day 2. I should have recorded it, but I felt like it's too late since I already started. I don't know. So, but yeah, so I can't wait to see in 2 weeks what this body is looking like. I'm gonna have pictures and stuff. So if I don't do a video, I will definitely come back and do a review. So like I said, I'm out. I was supposed to be out, but I'm out for real this time. Let me flip my hair back over. I just wanted to stand up and show y'all. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, gang.